Why, guys, kids news for you.
It's time once again for Why Guys Reviews, kids news for you. And here's your host, Why Guy.
Welcome back to Why Guys Reviews.
Today we're going to take a look at a dent removal suction cup. We got it from Harbor Freight. It costs about, I don't know, $3 or $4 maybe. And we have a dent here in the car. This happened at one of Y Guy's baseball tournaments, and somebody was so nice to put a dent in our car while we were at the tournament, and they didn't tell us. So now we're going to hopefully try to fix it. The lighting is bad, it's raining, but hey, so we're going to open this up. This is Pittsburgh 4.5-inch diameter suction cup. I've never used anything like this before, so we're just kind of winging it. This is a suction cup. Okay, let's take a look. Again, there's no instructions, which is great. So,
wait, what is this?
Okay, what I think you do, I think you just put it on here, and then you pull the trigger down. So,
Wait, what?
I think you go like this, and then you kind of go like this, and it didn't do anything. It literally did nothing. It doesn't stick. Oh, here we go. Oh. Thought I had it there for a second.
Is this sticky?
Hold on, should we go get paper towels?
It's supposed to be no, I think being wet is probably not a bad thing.
It's working a little bit.
It worked a little bit. Like very, very little. I can hear it.
Should we go grab a plunger?
Wait.
Ah! It worked!
Did it work?
It worked!
I think it worked.
It worked!
Oh my gosh, it actually worked.
What the heck?
That's out. Yes. All right, so what do we think, Y Guy? What
This is awesome!
All right, wise up, because it only costs like $3 or $4. Got it at Harbor Freight, and it actually worked. I mean, it felt like it was going to pull itself apart, but it actually worked. I can't believe it. All right, so go run. If you get a dent in your car like this, run to Harbor Freight Tools. Tell them Y Guy sent you.
I gave it wise up because, like, I don't know.
Because it worked.
Yeah, I don't really know how this works because, like, he just, like, did this and it, like that.
It's a suction cup.
I thought it was supposed to be sticky.
But anyways, short and sweet. Costs $3 or $4. Go to Harbor Freight, buy it, fix your dents. See ya.
Be careful, kids. Bye. Scout, no.
Oh no!